Hello everyone and welcome to the Kendal Automart YouTube channel. My name is Sam, the internet specialist here. Today I'm showing you around this 2007 Swift Lifestyle 6-Berth Motorhome. This is a great one, being 6-berth. It's got the above cab double bed. It's got the double bed in the main living area, and then it's got singles or a double at the back, which I'll show you in just a minute. It does have the pull-out step as well, and you can access the cab on both sides just through the normal doors of the van. So here we are, the main living area. You do have your lights as well. Really nice and cozy in here. So this is like your main area. You've got 4 belted seats, so 2 there, 2 there, and then you've got obviously your driver and passenger seat belted. Up here is your double bed above the cab. This net also goes up so you don't fall off the bed. That's great. You've got a microwave, hob, sink, little fridge, grill and cooker. This goes into a double bed here as well. Then to the back you can separate this area off with the curtain here. And you've got the further living area, which is a great space. You can have these as 2 singles, or you can pull out the slats as you can see in the photographs. I'll insert a clip of that now. And you can see there, I've got it all set up for what it'd be like at night time. You've got these little reading lights everywhere, which is really nice. All the above lockers. And then this goes into a double bed, or you can just have it as 2 small singles. It's up to you. Obviously then at the front, you've got this going to a double bed, the 4-seat section, and then a double bed, which is always above the cab, which is excellent as well. There is also a little table here that flips out, so that just goes like that. Go, so you can have that as a table for a coffee table kind of thing, or 2 of you can have as your dining table. That's really easy to do. This has got plenty of storage as well. You've got storage underneath the benches, all of these overhead lockers as well. Got a large one, wardrobe space in there. It does also have the Truma heater as well. In here you've got your bathroom. We go, mirror, sink, Thetford cassette toilet, and then up there you do have your little skylight as well. It's a wet room, so it's a lovely space. You've got the bike rack on the back as well. TV mount just goes there. It's a great van, especially if you've got a bigger family or you just need more space. It's excellent. And then here you've got the full length door and the electric steps as well that come out. They're really great. Just step up and they're just on there. So great to have that. Everything you need is in here, which is great. Just show you around the outside again. The bin in the door. We will of course get a full valet as well before you do take it. Lockers for storage and for your LPG gas, as well as your toilet on the other side. Tow bar with this one with the electrics, and then you've got the 4 Fiamma bike rack as well. Then you've got the windows all around. That's your overcab bed there. So all in all, it's a lovely vehicle. I'll just turn the engine on as well so you can see that and see the low mileage. All of these blinds shut as well, so you can have the whole windscreen blocked off, as with the side as well. So for night time, that's great. You can see it's done 65,668 miles, which isn't too bad at all. No lights are on the dash, and it has been very recently checked over and serviced. That's your rear view camera as well. So that's a really nice feature. Obviously it's such a long vehicle. You do have a back window, but that's a nice thing that you've got that as well as the back window. See the back window through there. You just get a much better view with the camera on something like this, so that's great. This is a 2.3 diesel as well, this van. You've got the LED daytime running lights, which look excellent as well. There's a little bit of paint work that will be done as well before you do take it. So it'll look really nice. It's got the armour covers on the mirrors as well for a bit of extra protection, and they look really nice as well. If you've got any questions about this motorhome, please don't hesitate to contact us. We'll be very happy to help. You can give us a call on 01539 760 371. It's a great vehicle. nice, large, practical family motorhome to fit everyone in. We do accept part exchanges of any make, model, mileage, so bring along your car or vehicle and we'll have a look into it, see if we can get you a good deal against this motorhome. Thanks for watching. We hope to hear from you very shortly.